My sincere pranams to all the gentlemen and wise women out there. Myself Ranjit from 2D and today I am here for the commerce lecture. The topic given is impact of COVID-19 on the future of retail business in India. My friends, India was facing recession. India was facing economic slowdown. India was facing negative GDP. Indian market was a fear-mongering bearish market. And there came Corona, which made life of every Indian pathetic. One of the sector which was highly impacted by this was the retail sector. Let's talk about that. India has a $480 billion economy, which is almost 35 trillion economy. And the retail sector comprises almost 10% of it, which is almost 3.5 trillion rupees. This shows the importance of retail sector for the Indian economy. The 8% of the employment is done by the retail sector. The retail sector in India is the fourth largest globally after US, China and Japan. Chain can be broadly classified into unorganized sector, organized sector and e-commerce. Let's talk about unorganized sector. You can see that the unorganized sector was almost 98% in 2005, which gradually reduced to 86% in 2019. And when Corona came into picture, the e-commerce expanded due to the touchless technology which was imparted and people felt it safe. So, the unorganized sector started reducing its prominence and it is now at 80%. My friends, by this, the cash flow towards the millionaires increased and the cash flow to the common people decreased. This made the life of the middle class family very pathetic. Now let's talk about the organized sector. I'll bring in the share market graph to explain it better. So this is the graph of Future Retail, Aditya Birla and Shoppers Stop, which are the main retail companies of India. You can see that there is a sudden fall of the prices at the time of Corona during March. So what this says is that the organized sector was highly impacted by Corona. But as these companies have low PE ratio, that is profit to earnings ratio, and Benjamin Graham's strategy of investment says that it is fit to buy a stock of company for less than 2/3 of its net asset value. So the organized sector retail companies are eye-catching for the long-term investors and hence this fall is temporary. When the vaccine will be brought into India, these sectors will surely come into profit. But as poet Horace says, many shall be restored that are fallen, many shall fall that are in honor. So it all depends on the individual strategies which the company makes. Now let's talk about the e-commerce sector. As I said earlier, the touchless technology was imparted and hence people felt e-commerce to be safe. So, as you can see, the shares of Amazon, Walmart and eBay, which are the important e-commerce sectors in India, the prices of them increased. But, my dear friends, all the money you spend in e-commerce will reach to the capitalists. And the prominence of unorganized sector has decreased, which makes the life of common people pathetic. So what we need to do is take the unorganized sector and the e-commerce sector and the organized sector hand in hand so that the economy is balanced. As the e-commerce sectors are maintained by foreign companies, all the money we spend goes to the foreign country and hence our economy will somehow get weak. So let's show prominence towards the unorganized sector than e-commerce. That's my suggestion. By Ranjit. Thank you.